Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to download your Instagram data. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Security. Here you will see the option of Download Data. Tap on that. And the mail ID of your Instagram account will automatically be inserted here. Now if you tap Request Download, you will receive an email within 48 hours. And that email will contain the download link of the files. And the files will contain all of your photos, your comments, your profile information, and more. Now tap on Request Download. Now enter your password. And tap Next on top right corner. And your download request has been sent. Now tap Done. And that's how you download your Instagram data. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.